Students, in this video lecture, we are going to cover the topic compound interest. The relation simple interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100 gives the simple interest. Thus, when we find amount using principal plus simple interest, this amount is used as principal for the calculation of simple interest for the next year. Again, amount is found in this way. All simple interest for a specified period of time is added to find the compound interest. So this is the long method. How do you find the compound interest? But banks, insurance companies, post offices or other companies do not give simple interest, but they give compound interest these days to attract customers, because the result of the amount that we get in the compound interest is more than the simply simple interest. Okay, the value of compound interest is more than the simple interest. So there is a formula for calculating compound interest. It is amount minus principal. But before finding the compound interest, how can we find the value of A? So for finding the value of A for amount, we have a formula. In the case of annually, amount is equal to principal 1 plus rate upon 100 powered by time. This n means number of years and R is for number of R is for rate and P is for principal. Okay, where the interest is compounded annually, then these formulas are used there. So let us solve a question for annually case. This is the most common case. Find compound interest when the interest is compounded annually for rupees 55,000 at 8% per annum for 2 years. So the principal is given 5500, rate is given 8% per annum, and the time is given 2 years. To find the compound interest, before that we find the amount. The formula is principal into 1 plus rate upon 100 and over that n means number of years. Principal is 55,000. The rate is 8% and the number of years is 2. So 4 2s are 8, 4 25s are 100. So this is 55,000 multiplied by 25 ones are 25 plus 2 27. So 27 2 times because we have power of 2. Now we'll calculate this. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5 1s are and triple zeros. Again 5 1s are 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10 and double zeros. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 5 4s are 20 and 0. Lastly 5 1s are 5 8 is a 40 and 5 8 is a 40. So 88 multiplied by the square of 27 is 729. On multiplying these you get rupees 64,152, 64,152. Now we will find the compound. The formula is A minus P. Amount is this one 64152 and the principal was 55,000. So this is 2519. So compound interest is 9,152. Next we will take half yearly case. Find the compound interest when the interest is compounded half yearly for rupees 8,000 at 10% per annum for 1.5 years. Here the principal is given 8,000, rate is given 10%, and the time is given 1.5 years. Students, in the case of half yearly, the rate is halved, and the half of 10 will be 5%. 5% half yearly. Next, 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3. This is 3 upon 2. This is doubled. Time is doubled. The rate is halved. 2 is cancelled. So this is 3 half years. Okay. Now these values will be used in amount first. The formula is same. Principal into 1 plus rate upon 100 powered by time. So this is 8,000, 5 ones are 5 2s are 10 and 0s are, so 21 ones are 20, 20 ones are 20 plus 1 21, 21 3 times. Similarly 20 3 times. 0 0 0 0 0 0 are cancelled. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So these all 2s will be cancelled by this 8. Now the cube of 21 is 9261. Okay, and after that compound interest. The formula is A minus P. 9261 minus 8,000. This is 1261. 1261 is the answer. Okay. In our next question, we will find the time. Okay. In what time will rupees 800 amount to rupees 882 at 5% per annum compounded annually? Here the this is the principal. Lesser amount is principal and the bigger amount is amount. 882 is the amount and 800 is the principal. So amount is given 882. The formula is principal into 1 plus rate upon 100, and over that we have n, and here it is 882. Principal is given 800, rate is 5%, this is 882 again. Now this 800 will go down 5 ones are 5 to the 10 and 0. 20 ones are 20 plus 1 21. This is 21 upon 20 powered by n. If we deduct this, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8 and 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8 and double zeros. Now 441 is the square of 21 and 400 is the square of 20. So the power of 2 over both. 21 upon 20 here also, and on the power. Now the bases are same. This is what we do when we solve, when we find the time. The bases are cancelled. So n means number of years is 2 years. Okay, this is the finding of time. Thank you. Let us take one question for finding the rate. At what rate % per annum compound interest will rupees 10,000 amount to rupees 13,310 in 3 years? Here the amount is given 13,310. So we'll write here directly amount. Amount is given 13,310. The formula is principal into 1 plus rate upon 100 over to the power n equals to 13310. The principal is 10,000. Rate is not given. Time is given 3 years. So this is 13310. Now this 10,000 will go down there, and this will become 100 100 plus r, 100 plus r. $10,000 will be down. Now these zeros can be cancelled. Now 1331 is the cube of 11 and 1000 is the cube of 10. So we can write it 11 upon 10 whole cube, and here it is 100 plus r upon 100 whole cube. Now the powers are same, so they can be cancelled. This 100 will be reciprocal there. It will go up. 0 0 is cancelled. 11 into 10 is 110, and this 100 will go there with the negative sign. 110 minus 100 is 10, so the rate is 10%. Okay, so this was the introduction videos of chapter comparing quantities. Thank you.